Thank you all. What am I speaking into? I don't know what's going these days. It doesn't matter. I'll shout.
Wherever you like.
Whatever works. Thank you. I'm just adjusting to my jet lag. I got back into Darwin at midnight, so if I fall asleep halfway through the afternoon, it's not because there's not really exciting stuff going on. It's the fact that my body's trying to work out where I'm supposed to be. Delighted to have an opportunity this afternoon to sit with this audience and learn. I don't get enough opportunity in my crazy schedule to engage in these sorts of discussions within the university, and it's something it's important we do. I hope in the course of the next few months you're all going to be part of doing a lot more of this sort of review and forecasting based on what we know we do well. Research to CDU is critical, not only because you can't actually be a university in the Australian context if you don't do research, but it's critical because of what it allows us to say about ourselves as a university, the way research must, from my perspective, continue to inform our learning and teaching programs. And it's critical to us as a university that is taking a much more global perspective, because at the end of the day, the research metrics are a very important part of what become rankings that inform international students in the marketplace in terms of the way they build their perceptions about quality institutions that they should look to study at. And even research reputations that don't necessarily align with your educational panorama are still really important in your capacity to attract international students in. And so obviously both for undergraduate and I think increasingly importantly postgraduate students, our capacity to profile a significant research reputation is really important for the future of the university. But it's also important, as I hope we're going to explore in our strategic plan, in terms of what it says about the fabric of us as a university, the DNA of this institution, and our commitment to innovation and application of research outcomes. And I guess the way we nuance that, and I've had some interesting discussions recently with the oil and gas sector that have made us, and I think we need to engage in, we know what we think we mean by research, but their use of that term worries them. They like to talk about solutions, problem focused and solutions, and that's something we need to think about when we define what we think we mean when we're talking about research. That it's not all blue sky, crazy stuff. It's actually, it's taking some of that really exciting crazy stuff and applying it to innovative, implementable solutions that will allow economies, industries and communities to grow and develop appropriately, sustainably and positively. CDU is located here in a very distinctive part of the world, and we happen to be a long way away from most other Australian universities and much closer to a number of Asian universities. But our place is a unique set of environmental, social, economic, cultural, provides a unique set of social, cultural, economic assets. And again, something I think we're going to play out much more in the way we pitch what we think we stand for as a university in our strategic plan is our ability to make much more about our place and what that means for what we do and how we define who and where we are. From its very beginnings, this university has invested significantly in environmental research. We have attracted some outstanding environmental researchers to this university, and we are very privileged to have a great calibre of people who are excited about being in this part of Australia and in these particular unique environments. And we share that with a number of our partners. So it's not just the university that has attracted important people, but through partnerships we add and contribute to a significant stable of very talented people. And that's really important if we are going to maximise the opportunities that sit in front of us and Northern Australia and our region more generally. So along with our strengths in Indigenous health research in particular, I think all of the staff in this space and students have played a key role in ensuring that CDU attracts more competitive research funding per researcher than any other university in Australia in these areas of excellence. And as I think we're going to hear this afternoon, our environmental research builds upon partnerships across Northern Australia and the region, not only with industry, the science community and with governments, but also with community groups across the region. So RIEL, as an institute in the university, is very important in our capacity to deliver on this outstanding research agenda across a wide range of strategic, basic and applied topics. And I'm looking forward to being informed by a number of you in the course of the afternoon about some of what's been going on, which with what I guess will simply be snapshots, but no doubt exciting and innovative snapshots at that. I'm delighted to see the number of people that have rolled out this afternoon. And as I understand it, we have a number of partners represented here too. So I take this opportunity to thank everybody for coming, to welcome those that are visiting the university this afternoon, and to thank you for your ongoing engagement in the number of shared programs that we work with everybody on. And I think to that end, I will put you back in the capable hands of our afternoon's coordinator, leader, MC and whatever, back from pretending he's an ex-forester.
Indeed.
And let you get on with it. So thanks very much, everybody. Cheers.
Thanks, Simon.